Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
That's right, guys, we're back. Me and Kenny over here. Kenny, some personal space? Yeah, thank you. And on that note, I want to say thank you to you guys for staying subscribed to the channel and kept following it in hopes that I'll be getting some new videos out, which is what's happening right now. It will be a slightly different way. It won't be weekly ones, it will be a monthly video because currently with what's going on in my life, I can't keep up with doing more than that right now. I'll try and do that, and if I can, I'll change the timelines and the schedules. Also, I want to say that about the Instagram page, it's currently inactive. It's not closed. I'm gonna try and activate it again and be more active over there. But right now, again, I'm just on my personal one. If you'd like it, leave me a comment below, and I'll let you know what it is. And I know I've missed it. Hope you guys missed it. So let's cue the intro. Hello and welcome to my easy cooking kitchen. Today what we'll be making will be Hotteok. It's basically Korean pancake. I hope I pronounced it right. If not, call it Korean pancake. But this version is a gluten-free version, so let's go.
Here's what you'll need. You can use any pizza toppings you'd like. I chose to go with olives this one, but it's up to you. First, start off by peeling and cutting the potatoes. You'd want them evenly cut so they'll cook at the same pace. Now boil them till tender. In the meantime, prepare your sauce. If you want to see a delicious recipe, check out the video up here. Now, finely chop the garlic. When you're done, simply add it to the sauce. Now the onion. Careful not to shed too many tears. And you've guessed it, add it to the sauce. Now add your toppings. I chose to go with sliced olives for this one, but like I said, it's up to you guys. I almost forgot about the most important part, the cheese. Add as much as you'd like. For me, that wasn't enough, so I added some more. And of course, mix well. Now you can set it aside. Take your boiled potatoes and start mashing. As usual, I'm using my trusty fork. And voila! Add the spices, all of them. And mix. Now the potato starch and mix it again. Try not to make a mess like I did. Next, it's time to add it all together. Wet your hands a bit, grab a handful and form a cup. Fill it up, not too much so it won't tear. Close it to a bowl and feel free to patch it up if you see any holes. Then pat it down to form a patty and set it aside as you make the rest. It's best to make all the patties before frying any of them. In a pan, heat the oil at medium-high heat and once hot, place the patties in. You'd want about 2 minutes per side and not like this. Let me show you what it should look and sound like. Once it's done, serve and dig in. Hope you guys enjoyed this one too. Let me know in the comments below what toppings you used in yours. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up.